which means it is on local devices. I have a PC with Windows 10 Enterprise, and I have the 360 camera, and then this camera can be adjusted going up and down. And finally, I want to add also to all of them cloud. Oh, and I have another one is a step recorder. So I'm going to roll it around here and stick it right on top of this on the side. So this is another recording device. Step recorder is a Pessar problem step recorder from Microsoft, built into the by default to Windows 10 and 11, which is a screen capture device and a keystroke capture device. And finally, I want to add to that a cloud recording device, which is Loom. I double click it, and for Loom we're going to use yet another camera. Right now it says no camera. I want to select the camera, and I want to select the camera that is further up there. So we'll try with HD Pro webcam and see if that works. And if that works, it will pop out in the corner here. And here it is, and it is working. Now I'm going to make it larger so you can see my image on a larger circle. Okay, so now I'm going to go to the next step, which so far all of those are, most of them are computer driven. I'm going to click the start recording on the cloud recorder, and we'll get the 3, 2, 1 and start, and there will be a timer that you can see is 1 second. And now I'm going to add a few more recording devices to the mix here. And the beautiful, can you take your Hawaiian shirt on, please? Yeah. And tell me what you are doing.
I'm going to start the Zoom meeting so you can get in.
So before you start, just go put the Hawaiian shirt on and a few more recordings, so we'll get all the recording out of the way. So I put in a strap on my head now. One strap on my head and another one just to gather the sweat and also to hold my power supply. Okay, so now I'm ready to put on my goggles. I want to take a set of goggles here. So this is the video glasses from iView. First I turn them on, and I'm waiting for the light, the blue light, to come on. Buzz, and buzz buzz means that it is starting to record. I'm going to put them on, and then I want to add to that an external camera, an external power bank. So I make sure that it is fully charged, and I need a pocket to store that, so I'm going to use my Hawaiian shirt, put it on where I have a little pocket there. That pocket is going to hold my power bank. So now I'm taking my power bank. I'm going to extend the cable, drop the power bank itself in my pocket, as I'm going to run the cable through my sweatband, underneath my sweatband, and then over it, and then I'm going to stick it into my iView video glasses as they are filming whatever the glass is aimed at. I have to see what I'm doing here. So I stuck the USB-C plug into the USB-C socket, and I monitor them to see that it is still working, which it is. So now I'm ready to go to the next recording device. Which is going to be my lanyard. From the lanyard, I'm going to also stream the video out. But first I want to elaborate on what this lanyard is. This lanyard has a neck strap that I'm going to extend now, and it has a phone that's stuck in the rear clear vinyl pocket. So as you can see, the rear clear vinyl pocket shows the screen of the camera, so the videographer, in that case myself, can click the buttons on the phone through the clear rear vinyl pocket of this neck wallet. And now I'm going to take it and wear it. So I take the strap, extend it, and put it over my head, on my neck. And now I want to demonstrate how this neck wallet is working. So I'm going to lower some of the cameras down so they focus more on my chest than on my head. So I'm going to extend the legs of this neck phone badge holding a lanyard, and it has a three-pronged easel. One prong is holding this red wallet, and the other two prongs are going to be used to distance the contraption from my body. So when I lower my gaze, I can see the screen of the phone and monitor what the phone is doing, what the phone is recording, and so on. So I'm going to spread the legs of the phone on my chest, and then each leg of the phone has got a couple of carabiners. So I'm going to demonstrate to you and turn on some local light here. 4 carabiners hanging off of the legs of the phone. One is black, one is red, one is green, and one is blue. And I'm going to place the legs on my chest as I'm strapping 2 sets of the carabiners to my back to hold and prevent the phone from moving around on its own. So I'm going to strap the upper legs first. And the upper legs are supposed to go above my pectoral muscles. So I elevate it above my pectoral muscles, and then another set of retractables. Right now I'm holding it in my hands. In the left hand I have the green retractable carabiners, and in the right hand I have my red retractable carabiners. I'm going to extend them and clamp them behind my back. And this way they attach the legs of the carabiners, once the upper legs above my pectoral muscles and the lower legs underneath it. And now I'm ready to start filming from my neck, wallet, phone, and badge holding lanyard supported by a black easel. In addition to that, I noticed that I need to recharge my phone, so I would like to demonstrate how easy it is to swap phones. So I take another phone that has been fully charged, 100%, fully charged, and I'm going to turn it on and start streaming or recording from this phone. So to turn it on, I have to depress the button, and I keep it pressed until Samsung Galaxy, secured by Knox, powered by Android, is coming up. And I'm waiting for it to display the Galaxy famous screen. And then I intend to press the camera and the record button and start streaming and or recording from this phone. So at this point I swipe it and I select camera. I tap the camera again, and sometimes it is slow to respond. Then I select video, and then I press the record button. So now it is already 1 second recording. I'm going to swap, take the old phone out and insert the new phone in. And now that it is sitting in my lanyard, I can even turn the flash on to have a little better lighting. Another thing that I may want to do sometimes is strap the phone with rubber bands. So one rubber band, the white one, is going to go on the right hand side of the phone, and the other one, the black one, is I'm going to strap it on the left side of the phone, wedging the phone inside the rear clear vinyl pocket. And then as I lowered my gaze, I noticed that it stopped streaming. This is why it's important to see it, so I press the record button again to continue the stream and or recording. And now it continues another clip. This is why it is so important to have a distance from my body, so anytime I drop my gaze, I can see what is the status of the phone. At this point is already 9 minutes on the counter of Loom and 11 minutes on the counter of Webcam Max and Cyberlink. At this point I'm going to wear my hat, so I want to raise a little bit my camera to a point that it can grab the image of my hat. Take my hat off of the dummy here and put it on my head. Okay, at this point I want to also illustrate the concept of a vanity phone number. I want to raise the computer. I have to move it further away a little bit. It's too much in the front. Doesn't give me a chance to lower it or raise it as I need. Okay, now I want to raise it. Now let me explain what this vanity phone number is. This is a URL tail, which is a URL integrated into the telephony. In this case, it's a vanity number that spells run. What is this? SEO, I think. Let's look at it again so I can read what it is. Yes. runbot.seo.info. Okay. Okay, so this is run, R-U-N, bot, B-O-T, SEO, search engine optimization, .info. And that converts to the telephone number. The word run spells 786, which is the area code. The word bot, B-O-T, which stands for software robot, spells 268. That is the first 3 digits of the phone number, 268. And finally, the last 4 digits, SEO.I, spells 7364, which is the last part of the phone number. So together it is runbot.seo.info, which is the domain name and the domain name extension of info. Okay, so now I can wear it and continue with the presentation. In the meantime, we are waiting for the beauty to come on board. She's going to start Google.
I go Zoom.
Zoom, excuse me,
I
Zoom.
sent you a Zoom invitation.
And we're going to document it.
Should you want to wear the glasses too? I have to put on the glasses.
Yes, please. We're going to document it and demonstrate how we are using VAPI. So the topic of today, the main topic of today will be VAPI, and I'm scrolling down to find another VAPI demonstration that we did earlier.
Is your phone on?
Yes, and I will get the name from before and we will apply it now. I can do another thing, I can do a search for the word VAPI on my notepad. So go edit, find, and put the word VAP for VAPI, and find next. And here it is, okay? So here we have the previous presentation, VAPI.ai vanity phone number creation. So this will be the title of today. So I go edit copy from the previous time, scroll down to the top of the file, and paste it immediately after the video file name. Okay, so we got VAPI AI vanity phone number creation, and all of it will be part of my Zoom, my SR. So I'm going to now copy the entire string, edit, copy. Actually, I can first save it to my log subfolder with today's date and time. So that will be right on top. Edit, copy, and insert it in front. Paste. And that will be a text type of file. And I want to save it to the log subfolder. And we'll call that part 2 because we have part 1 already. So this will be part 2. Part 2. Edit, copy, and file save as. So I'm going to override the existing topic, paste, and then I have to change the time. Today is Saturday and the time is 1:34 p.m. Actually started a while ago, so it will be about 15 minutes ago. It will be 1:15. 1:15 p.m. and then dash and space, and the current time is 1:34 p.m. So 1:34 p.m. Okay, so now I got the complete file name. I'm capturing the log path, copy to the clipboard buffer, and then insert it. Review the insertion, make sure it is the same. Copy the whole string to the clipboard. Then click the save button. Now that I saved it, I'm going to go to the top of the notepad file and edit paste, and this will become the current file name, file save. Now that I've done that, I'm going to edit as a comment to Pixar, step recorder, recording now dialog box, and paste the notepad file in my notes here, and OK. And then refresh Pixar. I'm going to stop it, stop the recording first. We're going to save it on the hard drive, so I'm going to click the save button. and then I'm going to paste the file name. I'm going to use the same file name, except that this is going to be a zip and not a text type of file. So I'm going to go back and override the text with an abbreviation of ZP to indicate that this is a zip type of file. And then for the path, I'm going to use the psar.exe path, copy it to the clipboard buffer, and then override the log path by the psar exe path. So paste the psar.exe path on top of the log path, and now focus on the first, then the second, copy to the clipboard buffer, and save it as a zip file in the psar.exe subfolder. Next thing is I click review additional details and scroll up to see that that was step number 90. As I'm starting a new recording with Psar, I'm going to add as a comment the previous recording into the current recording. And hit enter. And continue. At this point, the beauty is back. We're going to check her, so I'm turning the front camera on the 360 to go backwards to film the beauty. And let's see if we can work with her and check everything, make sure everything is working. Where's your phone? Can you find it? Let me start it. Now what we're trying to do is run Zoom.
You ran Zoom already.
Swipe it, close all the other apps, camera, video, and start by recording the beauty. And then drop it on our lanyard. And strap it in case she bends down, it won't fall out. Okay. So now we are ready to add one more element to this event, which is the Zoom.
I sent you the invitation.
So I'm going to open up Gmail.
Go to Chrome.
And I want to go to the Gmail account.
Which account are you in?
And then I have me.
Yeah, that's me. That's your name.
And the invitation to join the Zoom call, so I double click it. I can also comment it and put the comments, put the comments in Psar, edit as a comment. So I have the record of the information about the Zoom call. And then in my notepad also, edit, paste, and some spaces to separate it from the rest of the stuff, and file save before I join the Zoom call. Then I'm going to click on the hyperlink to join the Zoom call. I want to join from a browser, so I'm going to click the join from your browser, or it's already running.
Mine's on it.
Okay, so now I have to reduce the volume. I'll reduce the volume so there's no echo.
Now you have to rename yourself.
And I have to rename myself.
You should say, yours should say.
You want to help me with this?
Yeah. No, I want you to know
so
how to do it.
So tell me what to do.
So first of all,
I want to add video.
And then you'll see yourself, so you know that. Okay, so you know.
And now I see myself.
Now, click on the
And
ARush.
Started AI companion. Okay, turn on. Right.
No, you're not going to. I'm going to turn it on when we start. Don't worry
So
about
what do
that.
you want me to do
Yeah,
next?
I want
Without
you to-
fingers?
No, I
you have
have
a
to-
pointer. What do you
here,
do with it now?
I don't know.
Use the pointer
So,
instead of
so
the
you
fingers.
you see the
There you
name
go.
here?
So what do you want me to do?
To
To
do.
change this name?
Yeah.
Okay.
So click on it. See rename?
Rename.
And give yourself a name.
So I'll rename it Dr. Zoom.
Whatever you call it, but rename it.
Dr.
So we can distinguish. So you also want to have it so when the
Zoom.
AIQ starts working, it knows to differentiate between who's who. You got it?
Okay, that will be Dr. Zoom. And change. Okay, what else do we want to do?
So
Turn up volume.
No. And so what I want to do,
Reclaim host.
no, you don't want to reclaim. Don't do anything.
I'm
What I
asking
do-
you, what do you want me to do next?
I don't
Please.
want you to do anything right now.
Okay,
Let me just get started, okay?
okay, fine.
So I'm
you
going to
take your
tell you,
time.
so I'm going to turn on the AI companion. So now that we have all the names, look at this. Now we have all the names. You see this? Dr. Zoom and Dr. Rush. You see that?
Just a second, let me refresh this bazaar because it's getting too long. Just a second. This will be version A. And the time now is 1:42. 10 minutes already expired since I did the first one. 4:2. I'm going to put the word Zoom plus VAPI. So we demonstrate Zoom plus VAPI AI.
And then tell me when you're ready and I'll start the
I
session.
want to see that was 35 steps.
Okay, tell me when you're ready
Add
to
another
start.
comment with the previous file name.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
All right. Can I start?
Yes, please.
Okay. Okay, welcome everyone. First of all, I'm going to record to the cloud. And you see that you should have a part of recording to the cloud. I am now
Yes.
going to live stream to YouTube. Going to ARush. It is training. VAPI creation. Should I add something else to the title of my Zoom meeting on YouTube? What else should I say? Part 2?
VAPI.
Okay. This is how it's going to list in
VAPI
YouTube
phone,
Live.
Phone, say. VAPI phone number creation.
Okay, phone number.
Phone number creation.
Okay. And I'm going live. Okay? Yes?
Yes.
So now it's preparing from Zoom the application program interface to YouTube. It's preparing to live stream. It's setting up my meeting in YouTube Live. So it's done recreating. And notice, can you come here? Notice,
Yeah.
you see here, when you notice, are you looking? I don't see yourself looking here.
Please bear with me for a second. I have trouble with the camera.
You see,
Yes.
by default, the mic it's muted.
Yes.
So that's good. And you see by default, you see this powered by Zoom. You have the
This
moniker.
is the YouTube. Let me also go to the YouTube for a second.
Okay. You can, and I'll show you where it is.
Okay, here's YouTube.
Can you move a little bit?
Just
So
a second. please.
Okay, and see if it's muted. See how it's muted by default?
Yes, it's
Now
muted.
now you know where it is, and then you can copy the URL if you want to your
Fine.
notepad.
So
Okay.
first of all, I want to add a comment in the chat, paste with the file name, and upload it. Then I want to copy the URL of YouTube to the clipboard buffer, copy it, and paste it in the chat, and
Do
publish
file
it.
save.
Let's expand them more to see what's going on there. Cannot expand
Expand
it.
what? You don't need it.
Okay, and now when I go to my notes and paste the URL, edit, paste in my notes and file save.
Tell me when you're done.
Then I want to edit to Psar as a comment.
Okay, but we want to get going. We just don't want to hear all your comments that are not relevant.
Okay.
Okay, welcome. Today we're going to be going again talking about a product called VAPI, V-A-P-I, standing for voice, the V for voice, API, application program interface. And we're going to show again how to do a phone create.
Phone number create.
Phone number create that we're able to set that up today, hopefully, and we will attach a chatbot to it, and our goal is to call that number and see if it works, okay? So I have my recordings in place. I'm recording to the cloud. I'm recording on YouTube, and my AI companion is also running, so it will give a summary of what we are doing.
Just a second, I'll leave that.
So do you want me to wait for you?
Just explain, review what we have done. I'll be back in a second.
Okay. So what I'd like to do is to share my screen, and I'll review what we've done before. So if I share my screen right now, you can see my screen. I'm going to go to a browser. I'm going to use Chrome as my browser. You see that we are streaming live to YouTube. You see our YouTube live portion here. We have that done. We have that done. And now I'm going to open up another tab. And the tab that I'm going to be looking at is VAPI for voiceapi.ai. And if you look at the voiceapi.ai, you see that this is the YouTube that we were broadcasting to, and you can see that this is VAPI's homepage. And let me make this larger on this homepage here, and you can see here that this company of VAPI is what they're trying to call out is its enterprise-ready voice AI agents. So my goal here is today is to be able to create an enterprise-ready voice AI agent. And we'll be looking at the today and then the language models. You can see some down below, some of the language models and sponsors that they're using. So this is the voice AI agent that they're using. You can see on their features, flexible for engineers, but my case here is I wanted to show you how easy it is for business users. It's amazing that you can, it's a global market, so you can talk to your agents in English, Spanish, Mandarin, or another 100 supported languages. Everything is exposed as an API with 100% configurations and integrations, automated testing, tool calling, and the whole idea is that we want to think about it as reliable, scalable, and secure. And can I get a cup of water here, a bottle of water, if you could give it to me too? Thank you. Why don't we get two? One for each of us. Give me the cap, please. And then you get one as well. And this is a startup, and they're trying to do guardrails, and notice they're trying in terms of security, be regulated by financial and healthcare services, being PCI compliant, which means credit card, SOC 2 for financial institutions, and HIPAA for portable healthcare, to follow that as well. Okay? So this is our terms and features, terms of docs. These are welcome developer documentation, getting started with the website, documentation, community, GitHub if you want, enterprise plans. We're right now going to just start with a demo ourselves. So I'll have Dr. Zoom, I'll stop sharing, and Dr. Zoom, would you like to proceed and try another?
Yes, so I will share my screen.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm looking for share, and I click the share.
Not on the side, you click share.
Share icon, select the entire screen,
Yes.
and click the share button, and it comes back saying,
Dr. Zoom has started sharing, okay. Now the only problem is it's very busy, and we're going to have to cut out a couple of things so the end user can read it. So if you can move a little bit.
What bothers you? Tell me, please. Here, we can minimize the camera, just a second. Minimize one camera here.
Don't show this again.
You want to click on don't show this again?
Right.
The computer, this meeting is being sent to a third party and also being transcribed for AI companion.
Okay, just click
Why not to show it?
You didn't just say, and then you want to stay as co-host?
I want to click on stay co-host.
Right. And just exit this, turn up volume, it's saying, because it doesn't have it. And does this need to be there?
You don't want it there?
Well, it's easier for people. Minimize so people can see what you're sharing.
Right.
You understand?
Yes.
So you don't have such a cluttered screen.
Right.
And then take this off too. This blocks it. So cut this off. No, because then you block the screen here.
It's already there. There's nothing to do there. Just leave it alone.
It's not.
That is to shine the light on you in the back. Now you can see it in the back?
Yes, but
why don't you take over here for a while?
No, I don't want
to turn off.
No, I don't want to.
Bazaar and MSN recorder.
MSN is recorded is on and Bazaar is on.
Yeah, let me see that. Just for a second.
I'm already showing my face, so I don't need that. And you may want to take off your flash because it's flashing. So I stopped sharing. Now how do you share again?
Okay, what else would you like me to do now?
Now share the screen and go to that, and let's do it.
Share the screen again? Or?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to share the screen again.
Yes.
Full screen.
Full screen.
Click the share button.
Right. Now go into what we want to show today is we want to show.
Which browser do you want me to use?
Well, are you sharing your screen?
Yes.
Well, then why do I see your faces?
I don't know, maybe it didn't
You
work.
didn't, because you didn't click. You have to click that and you have to click share.
I clicked it and I clicked share, and it's the same thing.
Okay, excuse me. Excuse me, watch what I do. And stop sharing. Okay? I click. I click. And now you want to go to your browser. Where's your browser? See,
On the
you
bottom.
well, it's not in the bottom.
Okay, I'll go to the browser.
No, right. So go to the browser. You want to go, which browser do you want to use?
Whichever browser you want to use.
Okay. All right. You have to go to a browser first.
Fine. Okay, so
share.
we're in a browser, and now we want to go to VAPI AI.
No, you want to open up, you want to open up a new tab.
Open up a new tab.
Now you want to type in VAPI. You want to type VAPI dot
AI.
You may want to even put that in your notepad so people can see.
Fine. Okay, so now I'm in VAPI.
Okay, now you're in VAPI.
Where should I go next?
Where should you go next? You're creating VAPI.
No, you are teaching me
Oh, okay.
how to sign out.
Okay. Hold on.
Please take your time. In the meantime, I want to restart the sound.
Don't meantime anything. Okay? All right, now you're in VAPI. Now you want to basically, on VAPI, what you need to do is you have to figure out what account do you want to open up.
They will give me the menu later. You have to type some information. Click some clicks first.
Open dashboard. Or do you want to, sign up. You want to sign up again?
Sign up, yes.
Okay, we're going to start with signing up.
Right.
Click on sign up.
So I clicked on sign up, and that opens another screen. VAPI AI dashboard.
Hold on. Okay, you have VAPI.ai dashboard. This is very confusing when I see all these notes here. Okay, now, can you just be so kind here and move a little bit so I can see your screen? Okay, that's fine. All right. Okay. So do you want to just do, so don't you have to,
Now it's
now
Dr. Dr. Zoom is right now logged in.
Yeah, do you want to continue with that?
No, I want to log out and register a new user.
Okay. So let's see how we can log out. Just had to go all the way. So make that, where do you see it that you can log out?
Right on top.
Okay, I don't.
Of the username. Look at my finger.
I have to.
Cut here. Look
No,
at
it doesn't matter.
Okay, fine.
I have to go to view full screen.
Fine.
That's what I was missing. Okay, now I see it well.
You see it now?
Okay, you're now in, I see log out. This is your past account.
So right now, the user, way Dr. Zoom is logged in, when I use another user.
Yeah, and what you want to do too, can I just make a point
Please,
here?
it's all yours.
If you go to the overview on total call minutes.
Overview on total call minutes, yes?
You see that it says you have a total call of 5.4 minutes?
Yes.
So I don't know what the total is, but there's no reason to spend 5 minutes on a call to get it done. I think why it was so long is that you were getting confused and had the background noise of the YouTube Live.
No, that's not the reason. The reason is we couldn't stop the call.
Well, the reason we couldn't stop the call is that it had a background noise it had a background noise.
Okay.
It had a background, I need to see, I cannot see without having my glasses.
I didn't say anything about the glasses.
when you do that, please. That you have on the upper left-hand corner, it says call minutes. Do you see that?
Fine. So keep
Okay.
it shorter.
Keep it shorter. Fine. You see already it's been, that second call was just way too long. So that's why you have it nicely here that you've already turned off your Zoom.
So let's move on then.
Okay, you turned off your YouTube Live. Okay. So what do you want to do? So you want to log off?
Yes, I have to log. I don't need to log out and then log in another user.
You have to log out.
So I click on log out.
Okay, so log out.
So now I logged out.
Okay.
And now I want to use another user.
Yeah, so you want to do,
when I want to
you don't have an account signed up.
I want to use a Google account.
Right.
So I select Google.
Yeah, and now you want to choose an account.
And now,
which account do you want?
Let's use It Is Train AI.
No, I'd rather reserve that for myself. You understand?
So then job forensic.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
So I select job forensic.
Okay.
And Gmail.
Okay.
Okay?
Fine. And now, job forensic. Sign in to jobforensic@gmail.com.
So I
continue.
Continue.
Yes.
I want to put it in my notes.
Yeah.
No data here.
Okay, because you haven't done anything. That's good. So you're in
Right.
job forensic,
Okay.
so you want to make sure that you may want to switch to that account too.
I don't think
on
it
your
matters.
browser. Okay, fine. But I think it's good because you may get something from VAPI to Google to verify.
Okay.
So it's a good idea.
So I'll open another instance.
Another instance or another tab?
And try to log into job forensic.
Which is right there. It's the fourth one down. Now go to your Gmail.
Now I'll go to my Gmail.
Yeah.
And it's empty, as you can see.
The primary tab is empty. Okay.
So now we can revert back to
VAPI.
I want to create phone numbers.
Okay, well, don't you have to first before you create a phone number, you have to create an assistant, don't you?
Whatever you like, you're the instructor.
Okay, so let's go to assistants.
Okay, assistants.
Okay, and in the assistants here, let's go through this. The model, this is the section allows you to configure your model for the assistant. Hello, this is Mary from Mary's Dental. Okay, here are some voice. Oh, this is Mary. Can we change? This is going from OpenAI. Are you a voice assistant? This is, they asked for the full name. So how can you change Mary right here for the model?
Don't bother changing anything that is not essential. Keep Mary, she married, the names don't matter.
It does, because it's going to be Mary the dental, not the voice.
So we'll have one Mary the dental.
Okay, fine. So now publish it.
So I want to publish the default to keep the changes to a minimum and do it the fastest possible way. And later all of that can be done again.
Okay.
Okay, so now I want to publish.
You can publish.
Mary the assistant.
Mary the dental.
The dental.
So publish. What are you doing?
Hello, this is Mary from the Mary Dental. How can I assist you today?
Mm-hmm.
So you want to change it? Let's do what you want. So what do you want to change?
No, you said I want to change the model. I don't want it to be
Fine.
Mary.
So which model do you want?
I have to find out if I can choose another model there. Well, you know what? Maybe
yes,
from the phone.
Yes, you can choose any model. Pull down the OpenAI.
No, that's not where I do it.
No, underneath the model. So pull down the menu of the model.
No, that's the cheapest. That's the cheapest. That's good. No, that's not the where. The knowledge base, the temperature. Can you go down? I think this is not where you change it. The transcriber, the functions. Go to. Please, I'm trying
Let me refresh this out what you are thinking, okay?
No, I have to check it.
Check whatever you want.
do a demo. Okay, fine. I'll do my own demo when it comes to it.
206.
Save. What are you doing?
VAPI model selection.
No, that's not what I want to do. I want to do telephone number, I think. I think that's where it comes up. Save. The dental comes up as a default. Okay. Let's try this. Paste. Okay. So let's do this now. Let's go to create phone numbers on the left. On the left panel, let's go to phone numbers and move the loom so we can see what everything is stated there. Can we go to the,
For the phone numbers,
no, I want you to bring, phone numbers on the left-hand side.
I want to open all the area codes, my spreadsheet with all the area codes to show what are the models.
Okay.
So here is XLS vanity phone names and numbers.
Okay.
And here, for example, I want to get a phone number from the 737 area code
Rep.
because it spells the word rep.
Okay, that's good.
Or tax 829.
I don't know.
Or
tax.
tech
Tech is good.
832.
I like tech or rep. I don't like tax. You have to be too specific. You have to be a tax person to get it. Tip is not bad.
Or tip.
I like tip too because it gives you can give tips out.
Okay, so let's start from tip then.
Either tip, tech, or rep. I like.
Okay.
Which one do you want?
Also, SEC is good.
SEC is not bad.
SEC for security or SEC.
Security, yeah.
So I select phone numbers.
Okay, create a phone number. Assistants are able to connect. Can I first read, please?
Please, yes.
Phone numbers. Assistants are able to be connected to phone numbers for calls. You can import from Twilio, Vonage, or create a free number directly from VAPI for use with your assistants. Create phone number. Can you remember what area code you want to use?
Yes.
Which one?
SEC.
No, but SEC you wanted? I thought you wanted tips. You want SEC? Okay, we can do SEC. Fine.
Yeah,
SEC
you
is
can see them all.
732.
Now we
Okay.
don't have to memorize them.
Okay, 732. Okay, so create number.
No, I like tip actually.
You like what?
Tip.
Why do you like tip?
Because I like to show when it is not available to show how they say that it's not available.
Okay, fine. 847.
So create phone number.
Yeah.
Put the area code.
Right. Which is
847.
847. So type in.
847.
And then type in create.
And type in create.
So we gave you a number.
Yes, which is not good because it doesn't have, it has 1 0 in the middle.
Okay, so you can delete it. See on the right hand side there,
Yes,
before activating?
Let me just open another browser.
For what?
To demonstrate, to see what it means. So here is an example.
We don't have time. I'm going to do before it activates to
We had
delete
plenty
it.
of time and it doesn't matter anyway.
Okay.
Whatever you do, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
So I want to copy the number. I know tip, so I don't need to translate it, but the rest of it I want to copy and paste it into the notes here.
Yeah, that's very good. That's important.
Paste.
Do we
And
see
then
what
spell now.
what was the name of this URL that you got here to check it out?
Phone number include at least 0 or 1. If you look at the dial pad, And I'm 40, put 1, 2. It's not good.
No.
So they got when they get an exchange with 0 in it, you want to delete it
Right.
and take another exchange instead.
Delete the number, yeah.
And then open the spreadsheet again and take another one. Let's see what USA, we know we have a lot of that.
Yeah, so let's use
Vid is good also.
for video.
For
Voc
video.
is not bad.
Voc is not bad, yes. Like for
vocal,
voice. Vocal. So let's add Voc.
Which is
862. So 862. Create. Oh, that is also has 0 in
It
it.
seems like they give you zeros on purpose.
Yeah. Not on purpose, they just buy the lower number.
Mm-hmm.
So that is no good.
So you
So
want to
delete that. So we tried Voc and put in a V, meaning that it works, but we didn't like it.
Okay. That's a C you put in.
V.
Okay.
And tip.
Tip you try. Now if you try it again, do you get a different number?
No, it is, the exchange has 0, so you don't want to try it
No.
again.
Oh,
V.
you don't?
No.
You think you're
Let's try video.
Vid 843.
Yes. You want to find an exchange that doesn't have currently zeros.
843.
That is not available.
Right. Try one.
So
Okay.
SPY is good.
Where's SPY?
779.
Okay, perfect.
So now,
Okay, so
around
basically,
around the video, you want to put an X, which means that it's not
currently available.
currently not available at all.
And then they
And
give
go
you
to SPY and see what's in SPY.
779. Can you
779.
why don't you show the spreadsheet where it says 779?
Okay, I want to go to 779. 78. 779 is not available. This is not all. You have 7, 6, and then it jumps to 8.
Why don't you have 779?
And it doesn't list all of them. Some of them are missing.
So it would be good that you put then 779 so people will know what
Right,
it stands
I will.
for if you don't have it.
779. Okay.
So put that in.
7,
Why don't you put that?
79 will fit in here. After 6, after this one, insert 779, and the word is SPY. Okay. And you want to have area code that have, they are spelling a full word like text or tip,
Right.
rather than just an abbreviation if you can help it.
Right.
So we type
Okay.
779 and create.
And you got
It has
that zero too.
a
You
0
got a
in
bunch
it, and
of
2
zeros.
zeros. You want to copy the number and just put it in the notes.
You want to put it in the spreadsheet?
Yes. So where's 779?
Right there. You were just there. 4 up. You were just there. You see under
7,
SPY? It says
7,
SPY.
7.
Go down. SPY. 779. 115. Line 115.
In here.
What did you do?
I was trying to paste it. Paste special, I guess I have to do.
Just one minute.
Paste special. Text. No. Guess he didn't copy it properly. Copy.
That's not.
SPY. Paste special. Text. Okay. Doesn't copy.
No, you want Unicode maybe.
Let me see on a notepad whether it will work.
Do Control V.
Because it has some characters in it, yes, that's the problem. You
Just paste
understand?
it, yeah. Just copy that and paste it.
So we have to share with the
It's not pasting it.
edit.
Oh, I think you have a
Copy.
problem with the Excel spreadsheet. It's
Oh,
not
the
letting
Excel
you in.
spreadsheet.
It's not letting you have to
Yeah,
sign in. That's
no,
the
I
problem.
have to
You have to make it with your spreadsheet.
sign in.
Right?
They don't let you.
Right. You have to sign
So you
in.
want to sign in or no?
It's all right. Let's leave it for right now. Okay. Let's not worry about it. You put it
No,
put
I
it in
want,
your
I want to
notepad.
worry about it because this is the key to success. So you want to open the spreadsheet that is the previous version of the spreadsheet and not this version.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Well,
They hustle you, Microsoft. They want to force you into.
okay, so open the previous one, no?
Yeah.
Can't you do File Open?
Yes.
Just go to File.
Excel. Excel app. Here it is.
What are you doing?
Blank spreadsheet. Oh, use this one. Okay.
It looks like it's the same one. It looks like your store credentials are out of date.
It's the same one.
Yeah, it says sign into office. The credentials are out of date.
We'll close the two of them.
I can sign into your one.
You want to sign in?
Not really, but I can do if you want. If you
Yeah, it's
can't,
important to share the data
So
to
sign
find what
in.
is a good exchange. You
well, then I have
understand?
to get my phone out
You
too.
should use Google actually and stop using this
Right, you
Microsoft.
can just use Google Slides,
Google spreadsheet.
Google Sheets.
Yeah.
You don't need this. You know what I mean?
Oh,
What are you doing there?
here's a blank one. Let's
See if you can paste there. Just paste.
see. Yes.
Yeah, okay, fine.
You see?
Okay,
So that works. Book one.
okay. So just use it for that too.
Yeah, but I have to copy all the stuff from the old one, you understand? Hopefully they will let me copy.
Maybe. So put it, what are you doing? Put in the corner that, no, not that one.
Just
put,
let me handle it, okay, please.
better to do the one to the left, that upper right hand corner, and I'll copy the whole sheet.
Fine.
You understand? And then copy.
Okay.
Okay.
Right.
You got it?
Yes. Okay. Then
And then go to 776 and that spy and see if you can record that one phone number.
minimize this one. This is important to explain different versions. You understand that?
But let's just.
There are two different Tommy, no garbage. There are two different versions. One is the Excel 365 and one is the Excel, previous Excel. So now I'm looking for
Spy, 77.
7,
Here, there it is. 779, spy.
779 spy.
Right. But you need to copy in your spreadsheet that number. It's in your notepad.
Copy, and now I want to delete it because I don't like it.
Right.
Spy
Did
here.
it delete?
No, here. Paste. It also doesn't copy because there's characters, special characters in it. So
Copy it from your notepad. You put it in your notepad already.
right.
So I told you copy it from there. You highlighted it now. Edit copy.
Copy.
Right, now go to spy 779.
Go to spy 779.
Go to D 115.
D
115.
115.
Right there. Yeah.
Now once you inspected it, yes.
Yeah,
Now you have to
but you
drag
put
it
in the,
down.
You put it in the wrong place.
On purpose, because I have the invisible characters create a problem.
Okay,
So the wonder market is a bad one with the green, means that it is, or red,
not green.
orange means it is too many zeros in it. And then I want to overwrite this with the old one. So I'm going to save this. Copy, file, save as, browse, and I'll insert the one in front of the file name. Paste. So I know that this is version 1. Do you hear me?
Yeah, it's under documents
What's the
area
difference between version 1 and the original?
This you were able to edit.
Yes, copy. This you don't have authenticate yourself. And then I will override the name here too. Paste. So we know that this is the current name.
Okay, and save it.
Save it.
Okay.
And delete it.
Does it delete?
Yeah,
Yes.
I don't like it.
Right.
So
Assistants are able to connect to the phone. Okay, you wanna? So what other area code do you want to do? You want to do tech?
I think that they said tech is, yeah. No, I want to see.
What did they say? They said
rep I wanted to do.
they said something was available. Oh, that was a 0 that you got.
Rep or mom.
I like rep.
I like rep or pop.
I like rep.
Rep, I like rep too.
737.
So create one.
737.
7, 3,
7.
7.
Create.
Create.
No.
Not available.
So it looks like 857. What's 857?
657 is good also.
What is 657?
So
Go up a
then
little
we go
bit.
to rep and mark that it's X,
X.
not available.
Now.
Not available now, that's all.
And what
then
about
run? Let me see if run is available.
Which is not available. They say 857 is available or 657.
I don't like the first one because it has zeros in it.
Okay.
So then I like 657 because it's okay on machine learning.
Okay.
Let me see if I can find it. So I want to put 657.
Okay.
MLS, also multiple listings.
Yeah. 657.
6, 5, 7.
Okay. Create.
Create.
Okay.
Also zeros in
Yeah.
it.
It's almost everything they're giving zeros.
Everything that they're giving you is with zeros. Let's see if I can find that. 6, 5, 7, 6, 8.
Go up.
6, 5.
Stop. 6, 5,
6,
5.
3, 4. No, 6, 5.
No, you don't have 657.
So let's put the number here for now.
It's after. It's before mob.
It doesn't work. So I'll make 6, 5, 7. Right?
Yeah. Insert.
Before now.
Insert.
I cannot insert, right?
I don't
Insert.
know. Yeah. 657.
6, 5, 7. I want to
And then it's.
delete it from here.
Yeah.
6, 5, 7.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what is this. 6, 5, 7.
What
Yes, I
does
have to
it spell?
paste it first in my notepad
Right.
because they have those special characters.
Right.
Paste.
Paste. Takes it out.
Now copy it with all the characters.
Right.
Also, I don't need the spaces in between. They may stick all kind of non-displayable characters.
Okay.
Then dash. Delete. File save. 6, 5, 7.
Right.
Paste.
space. You don't want to paste space. Try Control V.
Space special. Text. Okay.
No, try Control V.
Maybe I didn't copy it right. Just bear with me, please.
You copied it.
It's not clear. Edit.
You did. Copy.
Try to paste it right away. Edit. Paste.
Yeah.
Then keep it visible. Paste.
No.
Text. Okay. Doesn't work.
Try Control V. I said try Control V.
Paste above. Doesn't work.
I didn't say that. I
Try
said
Control
Control V. 3 times I told you.
It didn't work either. Just type it in and that's
Yeah.
it. 6, 5, 7.
And you can
6,
get
5, 7. Doesn't
no.
work either.
Right. You're in that situation where it's nothing's coming out.
6,
So.
5,
Yeah,
7. 4, 6, 4.
4, 6, 4. 2, 7, 8. 2, 7, 0, 9.
2, 7, 0, 9.
No, copy it.
This is why we have to use Google Sheets.
Yeah.
And the meaning of it is OK, or machine learning, MLS.
Okay.
And it's, we checked it and it's
X.
V.
B. Okay.
Okay, save. Sharing your spreadsheet with, and let's try phone number another one.
Which
We'll
area?
try mom and see if that works.
MON?
Mom is 662. 662.
That's mom? That's not mom. Not available.
875 is UKS. Do you want to try that?
Well, looks like there's, I don't
Yes or no?
Yes, try that and let's finish off. All I wanted to do is create a number, and this is.
No, I want to show that this is a major problem. Oh, job is good. Let's see if job is available.
562.
You cannot do job. 562. Create.
No.
Not currently available.
I think at this point, this is all they're going to give you, 857.
No. Kit is not bad.
I don't think
548.
that's a great one. But anyway, let's try. What's the number?
548.
No. I think you're now at the time where anything you put in unless they see that you're trying it a number of times.
USA, I know. USA will be
It
available.
used to work.
It used to work, right.
I bet you it doesn't
Did
work
I try
now.
SEC already?
No.
732?
No.
732. Create.
Okay.
11.
Okay.
77.
732. 111. Sometimes 11 is not so bad.
Why?
It's like we're number 1. You know?
Two of them?
Not really. But.
No. Not good.
Okay, what do you want now?
So I tried SEC now. And
You
we
try.
gave me
At least it has
number.
some numbers there.
I have to go to Notepad first.
And do what?
Paste it in Notepad. Paste. Then copy to the clipboard buffer. Edit. Copy. Then go back to SEC. And see it. Paste special. Text. Yes, it worked.
Okay. Save it. Okay. And did you put an X there?
Saved it.
That you don't like it, or
Yes. I'm going
you
to
didn't
do
put anything on that column?
X.
You want an
Don't
X?
like it.
No, you don't want an X because X
X,
means
I-
that it doesn't work at all.
No, X, V, excuse me,
V.
V. V, I don't
Okay, do you want to delete that number?
Yes.
So delete it. Okay.
You want to try USA again? No, I want to try something
No.
different.
Vid, we
Vid
tried.
and VOC, we tried way. Let's see if way works.
What about vid? Did we try vid? 843?
Create way. What is way?
Way is 929.
929. 929.
Create.
Create.
No.
No.
Hint 609-857-779.
X, right? Not available.
Yeah. Right, roll. Today.
Let's try Vid.
How about whiz?
Whiz.
I like whiz.
Yeah, Whiz.
949.
Create.
Yeah,
Okay.
but it's a 0.
That's right too.
And a 1. A 1 and a 0.
Copy. Spell now. Sad.
Rad.
Pad. Rad. B. Let's see that if dial works.
Mm.
Dial ABC.
ABC.
ABC.com.
Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't.
Yeah. No, it doesn't
Right, no.
work.
So. Okay, so what do you want to do?
I copied it and I said it, I don't want it. It's not good. This is the key. This is why it's important when you do it together with the whole, and you edit the spreadsheet together, the whole class.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because otherwise it is such a huge hassle and it doesn't work.
At least you tried it.
Copy. Edit. Copy. Paste special text. Okay. And the V, right? I don't like it. Right, V.
V, not X. Work, but you don't like the number. Okay.
What else do we have here? Yes, I
Yes.
like yes.
Yes is good. So you want
So
to
I
delete that?
Delete that, yes.
And now create, we try yes, which is 937.
937.
Create.
Create.
No. So put X.
Another one is Zen.
Who?
Zen.
You don't have it listed.
I know. Let's see what else I have listed here. USA. Let's try that. Maybe that will work. USA. Create. Okay, finally.
We got something.
We got a good one.
Yeah.
Now we can take it, put it in there,
Yeah.
copy.
You want to put it in the program? See what it spells?
Yes. Right. Spell now. Wow. Okay. You want to look around. Gift is good. For gift,
Gig is good.
gig is good. So USA gig.
3TA2.
So gig is finished. We got gig, so we can delete the first 4.
Gig is good. Spell now.
Spell now. V822 dub AI. Dub is not bad, it's copy, etc. Tab, VAC, AV,
ETA.
dub,
Expected.
dub AI. That is good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
not so bad.
So that's
Tab too, maybe.
tab.
Three
Big
tab.
No, tab. Dub is copying.
Mm.
Okay. So I go to my notepad. My notepad again.
Yeah, let's
This
finish that one so we finish this.
872. Control V.
And then put which
Would
one is
be
this?
USA.
This is USA.
USA.
Gig.
Gig.
Dub.
Dub.
AI.
AI.
With overspell.
Yes.
And put overspell after it.
Okay, overspell. Which I don't like.
I don't like.
Spell. And this is not so good also.
No, it's
it can
not
be
good.
Duba or Duka
No, it's not good.
or Dub with two B's.
No. It's not good. You know what I mean?
It's not bad, but you have to find a better
Better.
software
Yeah,
than this
give
one.
Yeah. But
So,
maybe let's finish up since we spent over an hour and a half.
Spell my phone number.
Okay.
Spell
Phone
phone
number.
number.
The gig is good.
Yeah, gig is great.
Hanging hyena.
I don't know, hanging hyena, it doesn't
Sometimes you've got to be careful because these are good for, you know what these are good for? To get viruses. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it doesn't work. I know this one. Tried it already before. Update.
No.
Gig dub 2.
I got the same thing.
Yeah.
Gig dub 2. Gig ETA. ETA they use.
What is ETA?
I think expected time of arrival.
Dub 2 seems to be the
Okay, do you want to?
it's just not good, but it's better than.
Well, we can just show how you then put
We
an
have to use
assistant.
a Google spreadsheet.
Yeah, that'll be next time.
Yes.
Okay, I think let's just finish up so we publish this, I think.
Okay.
Okay, save that spreadsheet, just make sure that spreadsheet is saved. Do file save, just so you know it's, and then make sure that you know it's on job forensic. Does it say job forensic somewhere here?
Well, we did USA, right?
Right, USA we did. But we have a different number, yeah. What are you doing?
Special text. Okay. And the
USA,
number
what are you doing now? It's not the right, it's not VOD.
872.
It's in the wrong place. So
Yeah,
one
but
or two.
insert the line. That's
Yeah.
not the problem. The line.
Doesn't insert. You know, I changed VOD to 872. That VOD, change it to USA USA again. Another USA.
USA.
Or put it under the first one.
Why doesn't it let me
I don't know.
insert the line? This is what they do to you, Microsoft. This is why we have to drop them. You know?
Okay,
They're not
fine.
good, plus they raise hell so much.
Okay. Just write over the VOA to USA and then put 872
Why
there.
doesn't it insert?
It says you have to, it looks like your stored credentials are out of date. You have to sign in, unless you just sign in, and we'll just sign in, that's it. You know what I mean? You want to sign in?
No.
What do you want?
I don't want to encourage them when
Yeah.
they create habits, you know.
Okay, can you just put it in? Put it under Party in the USA. That's my concern.
Okay, never mind.
Never mind, let's go. Okay, you have it. Let's finish it up.
Say, please start.
Okay, we have to create an assistant to it. That's the key. Okay.
So for now, it will be this, okay? Select an assistant.
Right, that's what you have to do. You see where it says in the middle, select an
The
assistant.
name will be USA Gig Gov AI.
Right, and
Overspelled, that's
it's
fine.
and you want to make sure that you know it's in job forensic.
Yes,
That's the key. You understand?
yes.
'Cause it means nothing if you don't know where it's attached. Forensic. You know, and that goes well with a gig.
Yes,
You understand?
and AI. Okay, so
Okay.
what's the next step?
You see where it says underneath the phone number, it says select assistant?
Yes.
This is what you need to do.
Okay, so what assistant do you like? Mary's Dental?
Do we have anything else besides Mary Dental?
No, because you refused to.
I didn't
change the
refuse
model.
anything. We can go back to assistants and you can pick an assistant. You
wanna
said
use Mary's
you
Dental?
wanted to do Mary's Dental. I didn't want to do Mary's Dental. You said you wanted Mary's Dental.
But it matters what you want. It's your class, not mine.
I don't want to do Mary's Dental.
So why don't we go back and change to whatever you like?
So don't go back anywhere. So go to assistants.
Go to assistants, okay?
Okay, and then you got to find where you can change the different assistants. So model the selection, configure. So what is under advanced? I forgot what's under advanced. Go to advanced on the top there. No, on the top.
Where's the top?
The row where you see where publish is. You see the
Publish, I see.
yeah. Go to your left. On that row.
Advanced here.
Yeah. Let me see what advanced says. HIPAA compliance. That's not it.
PC
Functions.
control,
Go to model. Click model. Let's see what happens when I click model.
model.
Open
Yeah, the model before you use another model.
I think
And then it came automatically with Leo. You use the cheapest one.
I used the cheapest one.
And what was the cheapest? This one.
Right, that's what I have already.
So
the
try
cheapest.
this and it will come up with a different model.
It didn't. It came out with Mary. How do you change models? Oh, go to the I with the circle. You see where it says first message? In a circle, it has an I. You see where it says?
The I, yes.
This is
First
nice.
message, the assistant. Also, via URL, containerized audio file, MP3 wave, etc.
How do you change models? How do you change, not models, but how do you change? There were 4 things that you could choose.
The time to do it was at the beginning.
No, I don't think so.
No?
Look under, you can still do it. Look under, what is tools? Go to tools. On the left-hand side, on the very left.
On the left-hand side?
Yeah, what is tools there?
Tools.
No. Blocks, squads. Go to assistants. Go back to assistants. Mary's Dental. See here, this is it. Maybe here, assistant ID. This is Mary's Dental appointment scheduler. Can you maybe move a little bit? Move a little bit. Can you move this? Create an assistant. Maybe here. Yeah, that's it. See that is it?
Create an assistant.
Assistant, yeah.
Okay. So what assistant do you want?
I don't see the assistant. That's what you need. The first thing you need to do is on the upper left-hand corner, you see where it says create an assistant? Where I clicked on?
No.
What? No?
Assistant, I see. I saw assistant, but then you took over. Please don't scream at me.
You see the word create an
Yes,
assistant.
yes.
This is what you have to click.
Okay, fine.
And then it gives you a choice of 4.
Fine. Okay, create an assistant.
And by default, it gives you Mary.
Very top.
It gives you the dental
Let me
appointment.
put it in my notes. This is what we have to do at the beginning.
Right. Create an assistant.
Create an assistant.
In the upper left-hand corner.
Create assistant.
Right. Upper left-hand corner. Put upper left-hand corner. Because there's so many ones here.
Okay, so what's next?
What do you mean what's next? After you create assistant,
So, which assistant do you want?
I want either customer support or inbound. So.
Okay, NPC.
No, I don't want that. I want
about Q&A.
We did customer support.
So which one do you like now?
Customer support.
Okay, I select customer support.
Okay.
And then.
There should be a way in which you can. Did you click it? There should be a way.
Yeah, I mark it like this and flush.
What?
Flush or what?
I don't know. There has to be a way in which you move a little bit so I can see. There has to be a way in which you can make that. This can't be adjusted. Oh, okay. So this is it. Okay. So it seems like what the problem was, like you said, this is Ava. This can be adjusted anytime after creation. We did customer. And then create an assistant right here. You see that?
Yeah, I see it now. It's appeared outside of the screen.
No, it didn't appear outside of the screen.
I didn't see it.
You have other parts.
Okay, so now create an assistant.
Create an assistant above, and then create an assistant
Selecting,
below.
Yes. And now we got Ava.
Now, that's Ava. I don't care what we got, but
okay,
it's
fine.
good.
So
now
what?
publish.
Now publish.
And now what I would do is I would go to phone numbers, just to make sure it's
Phone
published.
numbers.
Right, and is there a publish here? It says it's checked, okay. So now what I would do is I would take a number of phone.
Okay, now you know that this is a good series. There's no ones in it, so
Yeah, right.
let's take some more of them.
No, let's finish up. It's already been an hour and a half, 2 hours.
Create a phone number, area code 872, Byte USA.
You want to take
Create.
another one? Okay, take another one.
To 3, so you see now this is good because this is
It's in no zeros or ones.
right. And this
Okay.
will be gig.
Gig, and it's good 444, which is good. So what does 3823 spell?
Copy.
Because you had one already.
Phone number spell.
Put it. And then search. Click search.
Okay. Do I?
Dub again.
Deuce.
Deuce.
What is deuce?
Deuce is like when you have two of something.
Okay, 2. Fob.
ETA 3.
Deuce is the best.
Deuce.
Gig deuce. 2 gigs.
Okay, you want it?
Yes.
Okay.
And the other one will be 2-4. You can already anticipate.
So put a 4 there and see what you get.
Let's first copy deuce. Copy and put it in my notepad. meantime it is from the same as before.
Right.
Gig, I love gig.
I like gig and it fits with job forensic.
Yeah, decent. Okay. Well, let's say. So the next one will be
4,
4.
maybe.
Oh,
We'll see.
4 is good, it's AI. That is perfect. Wow.
Well,
Do
let's-
AI.
Let's see.
Let's take it before it's gone.
Okay.
Wow.
So it activated.
Phone
You got
number. Phone number.
create
again.
phone number. Where are you going?
Create phone number.
It's,
Where is it?
it's in the second. It's right there.
Create phone number.
Create.
Create.
872, right?
Okay, great. I got
Okay,
it.
so got it.
Do AI. That's the best.
Okay. Perfect.
Why did we not
Let's
do it?
assign assistance to them.
Yes, edit, paste. So this will be USA gig. Do AI. Do dot AI.
What
No,
is do for?
do like do you, how do you do? Do, but
Do is do.
I know, but it's misspelled. Do AI, which is good, it's unique. No overspell.
Okay.
No overspell.
Spell. Okay. Okay. Fine. So now you want to assign, you know,
2.5 is no good, and 2.6 is not bad because it will be, but do is really not so great.
No, it isn't.
It should be a proper spell, but it is better than the
Okay,
others.
fine. It's not great, but we've made now we know we have to create an assistant. You understand?
File save.
Okay.
Let me check tax. We didn't check tax.
TAX?
Yes.
Okay. So 829.
So
Well, first let it
create
finish
phone.
creating. First finish letting it activate.
No, it is by
No,
default.
no, finish. It takes 5 seconds. Why
Oh,
mess it up?
okay, fine.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Because it'll be in the
Activate.
middle. This is a beta version. You
Fine,
understand?
activate. Fine.
Activating.
Yes.
Why don't we do this? Why don't we assign a special assistant to it before you go to another one?
Okay, so what
Right
would
here
you
in
like
the-
to
in
do?
the middle.
Assistant you want? What
No, right there.
Here?
Yes. You see where assistant, select assistant? Right in the
Yes,
third
here.
column, select
Okay.
an assistant. And you should now see Ava.
Ava, fine.
So click on Ava. Okay, that's all.
Okay.
That's the main thing. And then where do you do, now you can, and number 2, you didn't put anybody.
What do you want now? Number 2?
Create another phone number and then we can do them together.
Okay, tax. Tax is 829.
Okay. No.
No, so tax is out also.
So exit. Put an X in front in column A.
Doesn't move around. This is terrible with this Microsoft tax.
I saw the tax. You just had it in the beginning. It's up above. You just had it. And then you moved it to column B. You went A. You-
Terrorize you until the day.
No, you don't have, here, you need to do this.
Just stop it.
Here, just here, you want to make it so you can see the other column.
What did you do now?
I didn't,
Screwed up the whole thing. I knew that I cannot let you touch it.
you made it too small, that's all.
Okay, so make it larger. Okay, let's see what I do. Okay, let me do that. You also don't know what you're doing. Let me do that already. Fuck up the whole thing. Not just fuck up the whole thing.
There it is.
Alright, Jesus, I have to get rid of this Microsoft. It is just such
Yeah.
a disaster, this Microsoft.
Just do X and you can bring it back in.
Just not save it anymore.
Yeah, just don't save it. That's all. What's 862?
But it didn't work. We tried.
But it says now 860. Oh, it didn't work, or we just didn't like the numbers.
862 now is available?
Yeah.
So let's try 862.
Yeah.
Create.
Oh, it's one. Yeah.
We didn't like it.
We didn't like it, so delete.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's just do this.
Oh, you know what? File open again.
Okay.
File.
Good. Just click on it again. It keeps it so small. Oh, I think this is it. It's 10%. This is the problem. You see here, 10%. You need to make this 100. Just move the cursor. You see now, just make the cursor. Is it 70? Make it 100. Okay, now go to the beginning of the sheet. Let's go to the beginning of the sheet and go to column A. Move your right cursor. See here?
Oh, it's gone.
No, it isn't. It's column S. You want to go to column A.
Okay.
Okay. It's just it got small. That's all.
Fine. So then we wanted to.
What did you want to do?
I wanted to write notes. I wanted to delete this one. And this
Delete
one
that?
was bold.
Yeah.
It was bad. Bold.
But 382 is good.
Artificial intelligence, and they do such a lousy job with a simple algorithm.
Okay.
Okay, vote was V. Already we have done it. It was no good.
Yeah. You want to save it or?
TikTok.
862 is just the numbers. These are good. 872s work. Let's save it. It's already 3 o'clock.
What do I? Check. Did we try 832?
Yes, we are. Oh,
832.
832. What is 832? What does 832 spell?
Tech. Technology.
Oh, I thought it wasn't available or there were ones. You want to try again?
I think that we tried it and there were
Wait,
ones.
there were ones. Yeah, we tried it before.
Okay. Run.
They don't have it.
We tried it also.
Yes.
It was not available.
It's not available. That's all.
Pop. Rape was not available.
No.
Pop is not so good.
No.
Pod.
Not as good.
Podcast.
Honestly, maybe not so bad.
No.
I'm not so crazy over it, but you don't want to assign numbers first, assistants?
C. O. D. Pod.
763. No.
Not available. So pod is out.
So put an X.
X.
PJ.
Pop is not bad.
Pop.
Yeah. Like popular.
Oh, that's maybe 767. No.
No.
Mm-mm. That's
So
not
this is
available.
X.
Right. Pre.
You like pre?
Mm,
And try that.
Depends on what's with it. You know what I mean?
Pre, yeah.
No. Put an X.
Pre is not right.
98.
MLS was mob. What was wrong with mob?
We didn't just try it.
We didn't try mob?
I'm not sure. Or did we just get ones maybe or zeros? Did it even come up?
I think that it wasn't good.
Okay.
We tried, we didn't like it.
Okay.
A man.
Men.
Man is good.
Men or man?
6.
There's 626 and 636.
6-2 will start. 3, 2. Man, this is plural, right?
That's singular.
Singular. Okay, great. Let's see this one.
No.
No.
Try it with a 3.
Man.
Then there's men too. Make an X.
I tried 2 and didn't work. And now I'll try 3.
Yeah.
Oh,
No, but you didn't type it.
6, 3, 6.
Yeah. Create. No.
No.
Put an X there too. Men, put an X.
3,
Put an X in
6, 3. Where are you?
line 78.
78.
Line 78. Make an X. Min, M-I-N. Like in a minute.
Where is that?
79.
79.
What do you think? 79, right underneath the men.
Oh, man.
You like men or no? Like minimize?
Yeah, man. Oh. Not available.
Okay. So X min.
Man. I.
What about now? 669.
Oh, this is really good.
What?
Where's mean anyway?
Min is right underneath.
Here.
It's 79.
X.
X. Try now. 669. I don't think you're going to get it.
6, 9. 6, 9. Yeah.
No.
No.
Put an X on 669.
6, 9.
Line 87. Line 87. 87. X.
Glow.
What?
Fun. Fun is very good.
386.
386. 3, 8, 6. 3, 8.
No. Put an X. Okay.
What is?
And did we try 562?
What is 5?
Oh, no, we have an X there.
Java. Try Florida.
FLA?
Yeah.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
352.
3, 5, 2. 3, 8.
No.
We'll put X.
Yeah.
Koi. Or Q.
Q.
For
How about buy? Buy is,
and bug.
yeah. Buy is good.
And bot.
And bot. Bot is the best.
Yeah, bot. This is what we want to do.
268 is the best. If you could get it. No. So put an X for BOT.
Then bug. 284.
284. Bug is good too. No. And then you know what? And the other one, let's just try one more and then we'll.
Bro is good too.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
Bro is like brother.
Yeah, they all say that. So, hey, bro.
Right?
Yeah.
So
It's
bro is-
כמו חבר.
yeah. Bro.
Video. 276. Great. No. Okay, let's finish up. It's enough. Okay.
So, spreadsheet is really a problem too. They force you to go into Google is easy. Buy is very good too.
Yeah, buy it would be great. 289. I bet it's gonna bill.
8,
You didn't press create.
9. The maximum number of free phone numbers.
Okay, you have reached. Okay, you tried it too many times. Okay.
Yeah.
You can't try so many times
Fine,
either.
so you know now.
Okay, so now cancel.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, fine. The only thing you need to do is select the assistant. The last one, you see that 3822?
3822.
Right, in the middle it says assistant. You have to select assistant for that number to work.
Okay.
Just do Ava.
Ava.
Yeah, because she's general. Okay.
Ava.
All right. And then the other one, try 3823, the middle one.
This one?
Yeah, also assign an agent, assistant, yeah. That needs to be done.
Ava also.
Ava, yeah.
What
Okay.
is the difference between the two Avas?
No, we just did it twice, that's all. We created the
And the
assistant.
first one Ava too?
No, nothing, yeah, they're all Avas. You see, they're all Avas. They're all assigned.
Okay.
Now what you can do is you can call one of those numbers to see if it
The
works.
one I really like the best is this one.
So
Do
call it.
AI.
So call it. You want me to get the phone? Call it
No,
from the
no,
Google
I
Voice.
just call from here.
Yeah, call it from Job Forensic. You have a
Yeah.
you have a number attached to Job Forensic.
Yes.
So call it.
So
Needs
I
to
want to go to my notepad.
So we got
This is
something
the
done.
one we want.
Right.
So now we copy to the clipboard buffer. Do AI. Copy to the clipboard buffer. Then go to forensic. Go to voice. Repeat what I said.
Go to voice.
Go to voice. Enter the number.
Word. You have it.
Paste.
Paste.
And call.
Call. Let's see. Should be Ava. And oh, make your speaker up. And I'll put my speaker down.
Ava, do you hear me?
Yes, I'm here. How can I help you today?
Real quick.
Tell me about a vanity number that spells USA gig deuce D-U-C-E
It sounds like you're referring
deuce, like a deuce in a soccer match.
I see. You might be hinting at the idea of a vehicle identification number, VIN, that contains specific sequences or patterns. However, VINs are typically 17 characters long and consist of a combination of letters and numbers that uniquely identify a vehicle. If you're looking for something specific or have a particular context in mind, could you please clarify?
Yeah, deuce.
No, you want to
Hey,
convert
but deuce is like a deuce in a match. Means that it is nobody wins.
It sounds like you're talking about a situation in a soccer match where the outcome is a draw.
That's right. The outcome is a draw. Thank you very much. That's exactly it.
No, but that's not what deuce means.
Draw. Doesn't matter what it is.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could help clarify that for you.
So what does it mean? USA gig draw.
The phrase USA gig draw might be referring to a situation where the United States national soccer team played a match that ended in a tie, or draw. In soccer, a draw means that both teams scored the same number of goals, resulting in no winner.
What does deuce mean in tennis?
It seems like I might.
What does the word deuce mean in Spanish?
In tennis.
In tennis.
In Spanish, the word deuce translates to igualdad. In tennis, it refers to a score of 4-0, 4-0, 4-0, where both players have equal points. When the score is a deuce, a player must win 2 consecutive points to win the game. If you have more questions about tennis or anything else, feel free to ask.
Yeah, the word deuce is an Italian title derived from Latin word dux, leader, and conjugate of due, National Fascist Party leader Benito Mussolini. So this is a leader.
It sounds like you're discussing the etymology of the word deuce. In tennis, the term indeed has roots in Latin, and it is related to the concept of two. If you need more information on this topic or
Okay,
something
but
else,
stop.
feel free to let me know.
We have enough time.
Okay, thank you very much.
Stop.
Goodbye for now.
Let's finish up.
So then you can see it here listed. We got also the meaning of the word dues, which I didn't know what it is.
Do say. Okay.
You know what other meanings does it have?
No.
Dues definition and meaning, especially for the leader of Italian fascist party.
Yeah. Mussolini was called in slang.
In American English, a person who rules, guides, inspires others. That is great in English. So that's good. That's a great name.
Okay, so I'm going to finish. We've created that. Can you go back to your
Let me put it in
VAPI?
my notes, dues.
Can you go back to VAPI and make sure you've assigned each of the numbers an assistant?
Yeah, we did. Let me
Okay.
also check one other thing. What does the word do mean?
DU?
Yeah.
Put it in Google. Meaning of DU.
Do meaning.
I mean,
Multiple meanings.
prefix, an abbreviation, term in mobile communications.
Oh, dual.
It
Duplex.
appears in words like do, it just says it appears. Here, the dictionary definition, do meaning. You see that?
Yeah.
Click on that.
This?
Yeah, click on it. A contraction. It's a French derivation.
American English and British English.
No, we want American English. American dictionary.
Do.
So click on do definition and meaning in the dictionary, the first one. It's an abbreviation.
But the University of Denver U, do.
The prefix means two, like duplex,
Oh,
but in Latin, it's a prefix. Deplete, or abbreviation, depleted uranium. That's it.
Word Price Dictionary.
And it's
And it means two.
right. As a prefix in Latin.
Yeah, like duplex
Dual,
or duo.
duo, you
Yeah.
understand? But it's a prefix.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. I'm
Let's
going
put
to,
it in
you
the
can put it in. I'm going to close off, can you stop sharing?
Do, where's do? Do AI.
Yeah, it's right below.
Do AI.
Well, that says dub. Your cursor is with dub.
Dub AI. It was something about do.
Yeah. 2 lines down.
Do AI.
Right. USA, gig, do, AI.
That's
No
what
oversell.
a gig do for the two of us, for example.
Right. 2 jobs.
Yeah, 2 gigs.
No, it's double. It doesn't mean 2.
What does it mean?
It means like, if you can do like duo, dual.
Oh, this is what
Twice.
it expires.
Okay. I'm going to, can you stop sharing? So, log, can you stop sharing? Can you stop sharing?
I'll do the camera.
I'm going to stop sharing.
Patience, you have.
Okay. All right. So what did we learn today? We learned it's not so easy to get the numbers, vanity numbers. It also shows when you try a number of different versions for that account, VAPI, says you only have 10 tries. So you have to keep that in mind. But we did get some. And what else did we learn? We learned that you have to create an assistant, or else you will get, by default, you will get the Mary's Dental. I like the customer support or inbound call because it's much more generic. Then you can add documents for your own business. And also you can edit the prompts. We left it as default, but we did change to customer support. And you have to, once you create that assistant of customer support, after you create a phone number, you need to attach your assistant to that phone number. By default, you get Mary's Dental. If you created another assistant for customer support, by default, that person is called Ava, but if you want to change the voice, we could go in next time and show you how to change the voice to another one.
Explain also the vanity phone.
And if you look at my basically headband here, you see that this is what we're talking about. We have 305 on trial biz. Notice the 6 is the letter O. The other 6 is letter N. Trial, the T is an 8. The R is a 7. The I is a 4. The A is a digit 2. And the L is a 5. What I like about that, it is not what we call an overspell. Sometimes if you have another letter there, more than the 7 digits of the phone number, and then it's 10 digits with the area code. If you have an extra digit, you will have a problem dialing. It's called overspell in a mobile phone. In some other phones, you will not have that problem if you put in extra numbers. So for
example, here we have an example from today.
So for instance, like 1-800 mattresses, there used to be a jingle, they said, there's 2 S's, so drop the last S. But now you have to share your screen. People don't see your screen. You have to share your screen again if you want to show that.
No, you can just talk about it. You want me to share the screen?
Yeah, share your screen. See what you're talking about. Okay, where's your, I don't, you have to.
Share, right?
No, you're in share already.
Share, so what do you want now?
Do you want to just share the notepad? Just share this notepad.
Okay.
See, now we see it. Now say share. Now we see it.
Now you see that?
Yes.
USA Gig Dub AI, and the number ends with
With an
2.
A.
Not with the 2-4, compared to the other one here that ends with the 2-4. So this is not an overspell. No overspell.
So let me just go over that. Here we even do something different than what I have in my headband, in the way that we take the area code and we also put it into letters. 305 is just 305, you see. But here it's 872, which spells USA. The 444 spells gig. 38 spells do, like duo, D-U. And then the last 2 digits is 24 that you could use for an extension of AI. So this is what we call overspell. We have 10 numbers and we have 10 characters. We do not have an overspell, meaning we do not have an extra digit. Okay, so can you stop sharing?
Okay,
So I think we learned a lot today. I want to emphasize that you need to create an assistant first. before you do the telephone numbers, or else you'll be attaching just Mary Dental. Mary Dental becomes the default. But later on you can change it, so you don't have to worry about it. And you can also even change the assistant. I'll show you in another video of how you can choose another chatbot voice as well. So if you want a male, you want a female, you want somebody other than Ava, Mary is for dental. Okay? So we'll see you all. Stop sharing. Did you stop sharing?
I stopped sharing. Yeah.
Okay, we have it. Okay?
But the URL, just let me make sure I get the URL from
Of what?
YouTube.
You did. You copied.
Oh, I forgot to put it in my notes.
Okay. Well, we're still in YouTube. You want me to help you?
Oh,
That's it, right there.
Yeah, I know. I wanted to also add the comment.
Okay, can I stop the recording?
Just a second. Let me copy to the clipboard buffer.
I'm going to stop my loom in the meantime. Put that to my notepad. That's loom recording. Okay. And it seems sometimes loom is stuck. Doesn't let me do comments. So we'll leave that. I stopped the loom. What else do I have going here? I also have my problem step recorder that I want to stop. And I'm sure I have so many steps. How many steps do I have? Let's see, 122. We're going to save it. We're going to take the last version and we're going to put in today's date, which is already March. Three dash 1 2025. Take out the A. And then we want to charge. I should probably share my screen with you. Let me share my screen so you can see what I'm doing. See my screen now? Yes. So, a couple of things I wanted to do. Many things I wanted to do. Basically take my notepad, take the name, first line, edit, copy, take that entire line here, go to the beginning, and it's 1:30, we started, and we're finishing at 3:30. Dash 3:30 p.m. Copy it, save it, and we also can put it in our notes again. And we save our step recorder. Perfect. And we want to make sure that within here we also put in zip. put in the zip, and now I save. So we've done that, the step recorder. I've finished Loom, and I have MSN recorder that I want to stop. I don't want to upload. I can close that. Let's see what else we have. The room is closed. And so we want to go back and stop sharing. So anything, Dr. Zoom, anything else you would like to let us know? I guess it was a bit frustrating getting the phone number, but we got 3 phone numbers. We attached Ava, assistant, to all 3 numbers. We have it on job forensics. What I do like is a gig, and many times you think about a job is a gig. What do you think?
Yeah, we got also Gig Dub AI, which is an overspell.
Yeah.
And Gig Deuce, which is also good.
Yeah.
What did they say? Deuce is a leader.
Could be a leader.
It can be either a drawer or a leader. Leader or a lead. No, leader.
Leader, not leader.
Yeah.
And anything else?
No, so now I saved my Psar,
Yeah.
and I'm going to save it also in my notes.
I saved mine in my notes as well. Okay, and I'm going to stop recording to YouTube. Oh, this is the cloud. Cloud on YouTube to stop first. Stop to YouTube. Stop recording. And now I have in the corner, you see, I have also AIQ, or what they call AI Companion, in Zoom. It's still running and will give us a summary. So what are we going to do next time? Next time, what I'd like to do is
Use a Google spreadsheet instead of Microsoft.
first we want to use Google Sheets instead of Excel sheets. And then also I want to see how we can change the voice. And maybe we'll do, instead of customer support, we'll go inbound calls. So once we have more than one number, we can have more than one voice. Do you understand?
Yes, and now I'm looking to save it under the folder Job Forensics.
Yeah, save it under Job
So
Forensics.
that way we have it also in that folder.
Yes.
And I'm scrolling to Job, which is J,
Should be after
H-I-J. After J is I. Here is Job.
You have Job Forensics.
And one Job Forensic.
You have it?
Job Forensic. Here is Job Forensic, yes.
Perfect. So next time, Dr. Zoom will be in charge of getting Google Sheets and putting in all the area codes, copying all the area codes from Excel to Google Sheets, and hopefully that will be easier for us to copy and paste, and won't have to do any special sign-ons. And then Dr. Rush will be responsible to show how you can create new assistants with new templates, and we're going to try to do it inbound, and maybe instead of female voices, we'll do male voices. Okay?
Okay.
So have a great time, great weekend. It's important to have fun. And
Which was not available.
And we wanted to have fun, but guess what? We couldn't do fun. Fun till your daddy takes your T-bird away. Okay?
Okay?
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao.
Bye-bye.
Did you save the SAR?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay?
Go to meeting card. Host ended this meeting. What is go to meeting card? You know?
No. Go to the meeting card to keep chatting or see the meeting. I guess this is new. So this is the recording. That's new. So if you weren't
Okay.
even part of it, you get that as a recording. You get like an overview.
Fine.
That's new. They keep on trying to put stuff in there,
Okay.
and nobody cares.
Now I want to save the spreadsheet. Oh, this was X. This was oh, copy's a good one too.
I thought it didn't work.
No, we didn't check cop.
Cop or copy?
Cop, like cop.
Cop.
Cop, like policeman.
I'm putting this away. I'm gonna. This is charging. My phone needs to be charged.
Bad, I'm bad. Okay, so now to minimize some browsers here, so many things going at the same time. Now I want to stop the SAR. Copy the SAR to the clipboard buffer. Possible edit as a comment with the SAR. Paste and okay. Then I'm going to edit to my notes. Edit, paste, and file, save. Then I want to close all the various recordings and test them. So we're going to stop